they should get me investigated. Muhammad Asif is the only cricketer, is the only person I was very close with, and I haven't met any of his other, cricketer friends, so I can't talk about any other cricketer. But yes, Mr. Dheeraj Dixit, the conversation I have heard, Mr. Dheeraj Dixit was saying Muhammad Asif that, look, I have given you the business class ticket and I have already spent a lot of money on you and I'm giving you only $40,000. And Muhammad Asif was like, no, I need $200,000. And that was the conversation. And after that, we had, really, really serious fight. And I was like, Asif, you just have made a comeback. You can't do that.
Now, how do I know? How do I know that you knew about all this? That now you are saying that, I was against all this, I spoke to the authority. How do I know that you were also not part of it? How do I know that Muhammad Asif, Veena Malik and Dheeraj Dixit were all working together and now you've all broken up and therefore, how do I believe what you are saying? Look, very simply, and not believe that you and Dheeraj were working together.
Do you think if for your belief, I guess, the easiest thing is to, let the people investigate the whole thing, okay? Only then the truth will come out. And the second thing is, if ever I'm involved in something, why would I sit here and talk about that? In past or present or anywhere, if I'm involved, why am I talking about that? Okay. Why Mr. Dheeraj is avoiding everything and why Asif is avoiding everything? Why am I sitting here and talking about that?
Now,
look, I'm here and I'm open to all kind of investigations. This is the only thing I know. I don't know whether Mr. Dheeraj has got some direct links or Mr. Dheeraj himself is a bookie or something. I did not make any kind of any statement. I'm only the witness of that conversation that I've heard, and I only have this proof. The rest of the proofs, police should go for that.
And
I think
question.
ICC should go for that.
Veena Malik, you claim that Muhammad Asif paid money to ensure his suspension was reduced when he failed a drug test. Now, who did he pay?
Yeah, this is one thing which I'm the witness of, one fact that Muhammad Asif has been taking a Nindrolin injection in the beginning of his career. Okay, one of his friends, his name is Kaleem Imran, he's been importing Nindrolin injections from England for 3 years for Muhammad Asif. So when this dope case came positive, and I was the one, I met Muhammad Asif after that. I've met for the first time Muhammad Asif in 2008, December 2008. And I have seen one doctor, I don't know his real name. We used to call him Doc. And I never tried to be, really frank with the friends of Asif. Asif has shown me the document where there was, 3 people in the jury, IPL, where there was Sunil Gavaskar, Dr. Ravi and Suresh Gupte, okay? And Asif told me that he needed money for the case of, which is there in India, IPL doping case, and he needs 3 million rupees. He has to give to that doctor who's giving him suggestions that where later on Asif has said that, I've been using those eye drops where the, Nandrolene test, that dope test came positive. So, that is what Asif has told me, and Asif took 3 million from me, and that is what he told me, that he has to give these money to the people to clarify himself. And then I have seen that report where there was just one signature there. Look, if they have cleared, Asif from that dope casing, why the rest of the 2 signatures were not there? And there was a big controversy here, and so many sports reporters knew about the whole thing. Why IPL did this to Asif, and if Asif was guilty, why didn't they punish him?
Well, Veena Malik...
That means Indian board and Pakistani board, both they are supporting Pakistan, they're both supporting their players.
That's the point, Well, there are a lot of suspicions here, Veena Malik. And I'm not going to say at the very end that, what you're saying is a claim. Now, people can choose to believe you. People can choose to disbelieve you. People can choose to believe that maybe you and Dheeraj worked together, knew each other. I'm not taking a position on it. But you put your point of view tonight, very frankly. And thank you very much for doing that.